Hi, this is Salodi Gupta, and this is part 3 of my database project. So the first requirement was duplicate user registration detection. So if we go and initialize database really quickly, I will go to the registration form. I'm going to try to register as Saloni G, which is already registered in there. I'm just going to put in my details, and it should say username taken, please try another. Now I'm gonna take a unique username, but this time I'm gonna take an email address which was already taken. So that is sgupta@gmail.com. And when I hit submit, it says an account with this email already exists. So I'm just gonna log in as me right now, and so the next requirement was implement an adoption crate where users select animals and then pay to adopt them. So if we go to list pets, it will have a column which says adopt, and I can hit as many animals as I like to adopt, and they will show up in the checkout page. So right now I'm just gonna hit Morgan Freeman, Percy, and Phobos. Okay. Now when I go to the checkout page, I will see that they all three of them are already there. Now let's say I want to remove Phobos. I will see that it will be gone from my checkout page, and this means that I will no longer be paying for it. And then when I hit submit payment, it shows me a congratulations page. When I go back to the list pets page, I will see that Percy and Morgan Freeman are no longer there. So that is it for the adoption crate. The next one is list users who have placed 2 animals up for adoption for different species. So when I go to user by species, and let's just say I'll keep dog here, and I'm just gonna choose cat over here, and I'm gonna hit submit. It will show me the breeders who have put them up for adoption. The next one is for any users, list all animals up for adoption of another user, where reviews are only Totes Adorbs or Adopts. So if I go to rated Totes Adorbs, and let's say I'll choose Dwight, and I will submit, I will get the details of the pet, I will get the review, and I will get the category, and I will also have the adopt option. The next one is list of the users who have given the greatest number of reviews and the number of reviews for each user. So if I go to review stats, I will see that Chloe has given the most number of reviews, and all the users are arranged in descending number of reviews. Now for the sixth one, for any users, list the favorite animals shared by 2 other users. So right now, I do not have any favorited animals. So let's say I will favorite Phobos, Champ, and Clifford. Now I'm going to log out and log in as the root. And I'm going to go to list pets, and I'm going to favorite Phobos again. But the other 2, I'm going to, let's say, take Simba, and I'm going to take T-Bone. And then I'm going to log out once more, and this time I'm going to log in as Sherlock. And I'm going to go to list pets. I will favorite Phobos again because that's the shared pet. And then let's say I'll favorite Samson, and I'll favorite Sonic. Now when I go to list favorites and go to shared favorite pets, and I will choose Saloni G because that was the other user, and then I'll choose root, and when I submit, it will show me Phobos because that's the only shared pet. Now let's go to 7. List all users who have never posted an animal, which is Ridicodorbs. If I go back and I go to no pets with Ridicodorbs, I will see that this is the list of the users who have never posted a pet with Ridicodorbs. The only user that has put one is Saloni, and which is not in this list. Then the 8th one is display all users who have never posted a Cray Cray review. So for that, I will go and no Cray Cray reviews, and then I will see that these are the users who have never posted a quick review. Next is display all users who have posted 1 or more reviews and every review is gray or gray. So for that, I go only gray reviews, and I'll see that Sherlock is the only one who has posted gray reviews. Okay, and then the last one is display all users who have placed an animal up for adoption, but no animal has received a gray review. So here I will go to no pets with gray reviews, and I will see that these are the animals who have never received a gray review. So that concludes it, and thank you for your time. Let me know if you have any questions.